In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hood support strut in your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the front of the vehicle and under the hood. Let's get started. Before we pop the strut off, you are going to want to support the hood or have a friend hold it up for you. At the back side of each end of the strut, we have a small metal clip. Just going to pry out on that using a flathead screwdriver. We can pop that off. We can do the same on the other end. And we can remove our strut. Now to install the new strut, we don't need to remove the clips on the back side. You can simply press on, and we can do the same up top. Make sure you remove your hood support. Test out the function of your hood, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.